Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Virgo earth sign, and this reading is for the remaining month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past, Virgo. Oh, lot of energy. Thoughts are. So let's see your recent past. Page of Cups, Two of Wands. Yeah, King of Wands. Definitely a lot of fire energy, or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Someone is thinking, if one person in this connection thinking about the other person a lot. Definitely this could be long distance relationship also, but one person want to apologize for the other person for what they did wrong in past. There is a lot of passion between both of you, and one person definitely Sagittarius in this connection could be they stand by their power. So let's see what is going on in your connection right now, Virgo. Let's see what is going on your connection. Oh, two cards. Ace of Swords, Six of Pentacles. Yeah, the Sun. Wow. So definitely one person want to communicate you. They want to tell their truth to you, and they want to offer equal give and take, and they want a happy, positive life with you. Definitely. So those who are waiting for your person, definitely they want to communicate, and they want to offer equal give and take in this connection, and they want a happy ending with you. This could be your person energy, could be vice versa, depending upon your situation. So let's see some more information about your relation, the World and the Devil. Hierophant. Yeah, I think your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, particularly Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sag, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Definitely some commitment issues in past. Some cycles are going to be end in this connection, and the person who don't want to commit in past, that person want to commit this time. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. This could be your person energy, could be vice versa. Okay, Queen of Cups. Your person has strong emotions for you, Virgo. Yeah, Knight of Cups. They want to come towards you. And Three of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to work on this relationship, and they want to make things clear. Definitely they have strong emotions for you. Lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely they want to offer this cup of love to you, and they are coming, but it is slow energy. You have to wait patiently. And Three of Pentacles. Definitely I think your person want to work on this relationship with you. This is partnership also. They want partnership with you. So let's pull some more cards from the universe regarding the connection. Yeah, Knight of Wands. Your person want to approach you. Four of Swords. But I think it could be you right now thinking about them a lot, but not taking any action. But now it's your person turn. They want to take action towards you, but it is coming, but it is slow energy. Yeah, Seven of Cups. Your person's fantasizing about you a lot. Wow. Ace of Wands. Definitely new beginning. There is a chance for new beginning between both of you. Your person fantasizing about you a lot. This is not about options. Yeah, they want to come towards you. If you are waiting your person, definitely they are coming, but it is slow energy because Knight of Cups is here, but it is promising energy, stability, and they want a brand new beginning with you. So a lot of air energy also. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius also. So those who are waiting for your person, definitely your person will come towards you, and they offer equal give and take in this connection. Excuse me. So Virgo, definitely your person will come towards you. So if it will take time, please be patient, because Knight of Cups is a slow moving energy. So if there is obsession, if there is third party, it's up to you to accept their offer or not. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.